Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID from any iPhone device if you forgot your Apple ID password without personal information and without computer or any third-party application software. So friends, let's start the video. Open your settings, tab on settings. Now tab on Apple ID. Scroll down and you can see here sign out option, so tap on sign out. So friends, Apple ID password, enter the Apple ID password for this email address. To turn off find my iPhone, so I have not password because I am forgot my Apple ID password. So tap any password, tap on turn off. Verification failed. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect. Tap on OK and tap on cancel and go back. Scroll down. Tap on privacy and security and tap on tracking. So allow apps to request to track. So tap on toggle and turn it off and go back and again open and again tap on Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on sign out. So 2 times enter any password. Tap on turn off. So tap on OK and again tap any password. So tap on turn off. So friends, this option is available, forgot password. If you forgot your Apple ID password, you can reset it using your iPhone passcode. So tap on reset password. Enter iPhone passcode. The passcode you use to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID password. So tap your iPhone passcode. So friends, you can see here enter new password. This ID is not require your personal information, personal email, personal phone number or personal anything, and without computer and without any third-party application software. So you can enter your new password easily and reset it. So your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. So tab your password. So friends, when you tap your new password, so tap just on continue, wait few seconds and you can see here your password has been changed. From now on, please use your new password when signing into your account. So tap on done. So friends, keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. Data removed from this iPhone will still be available in iCloud. So tap on sign out. Are you sure? It may take a minute to remove your iCloud data from this iPhone. So tap on sign out. Copying iCloud data, it takes few seconds. So friends, wait a few seconds. Now you can see here our Apple ID is removed from our iPhone. So friends, go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to remove Apple ID from any iPhone device without computer and without third-party application software and without your personal information. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.